today we're going to talk about conjugates and complex numbers. But before we get to whatever a conjugate is, let's review how to add, subtract, and multiply complex numbers. So let's go ahead and add 3 plus 2i plus negative 4 plus 7i. So I'm just rearranging terms here. I'm putting the 3 and the negative 4 together because they're both real numbers. And I'm putting the 2i and the 7i together because they're both imaginary numbers. I go ahead and finish my math. 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1, and 2i plus 7i is 9i. Here's another problem for us. Actually, it's the same problem, except instead of adding them, we're subtracting them. I have to distribute this subtraction or negative sign to the two terms after the parentheses. So I'm going to give it to the negative 4 and the 7i. I rewrite 3 plus 2i, distribute the negative, so my negative 4 with the minus sign is going to be a plus 4, and then the plus 7 with the minus sign will be a negative 7i. Again, rewrite so that my real numbers are together and my imaginary numbers are together. Put them together and I get 3 plus 4 is 7. 2i minus 7i is negative 5i. Here is a multiplication problem. I'm going to FOIL, or give the 3 to both of these, and then 2i to both of these. So we go ahead and do that. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. 3 times 7 is 21i. 2i times negative 4 is negative 8i. And 2i times 7i is 14i squared. Remember that I squared is negative 1, so we're going to change this little piece over here to be a negative 14, because 14 times negative 1 is negative 14. Combine like terms also in the process, so I have negative 12 plus 13i. 13i came from the 21 minus 8, and then our minus 14. Put those together and we get negative 26 plus 13i. That is how you add, subtract, and multiply complex numbers.